Hey friends, it's the Miss Wolfie from our half acre homestead with a quilt, parcel, and a whole bunch of other updates. I got a couple of parcels in the mail today, and since they didn't say Amazon, they were parcels I ordered. So I felt comfortable in opening them up, but they're not products for review. They're just things I needed. Pretty sure this one is my chop wizard. Again, I have written to the company and said, this is a really amazing product, but everybody I've spoke to, when it breaks, oh, my friggin' fingers. When it breaks, it's always on the hinge. Yes, I have a chop wizard again. Yay! I miss my chop wizard. Okay, what is this? It's from Mississauga, Ontario. Pretty sure it's my tripod. I'll tell you stuff, folks. I mean, equipment does need to be replaced over time. I've had this tripod that I'm using right here, probably 8 years. Yes, there it is. When you use this kind of equipment as much as I do, it really does need replacing. But they're here. Let the filming and the cooking continue. As you all know, I had the live stream, and Howie and I went to the Luskville Dragway banquet on Saturday night. Oh, poor Howie. He got there. His prepaid credit card wouldn't work for the rental company. He had to get one of the other students gas money to drive him back and forth from his hotel to school every day. Then he was on his way home, and he got stuck in New York overnight because the plane broke down. And then he got home finally in Ottawa, and he had 2 flat tires. I've never seen a man more content to walk in the door and be handed a plate of bacon and eggs and be told, have a snack, have a nap. Then he had a nap, and we got up and we went to the race banquet. I mean, we didn't stay long because Briar was staying here for the weekend because he was working down the highway. And we had to pick him up, and the store closed at 9, and we were still at the banquet at 9. So I had, poor Briar had to wait in the dark, cold store, hearing things go bump in the night while he read on his Audible or whatever it was until we could pick him up. But I'm telling you, what a week. I mean, I have been so exhausted that I actually got up this morning at 5 o'clock, made Howie breakfast, made his lunch, and went back to bed at 6 a.m. And I slept until 1:45. 5 hours almost. I woke up, looked at the time on my phone, and phoned Howie and said, I'm just waking up. He said, oh my God, Bev. He said, you obviously feel like I did yesterday, which was Sunday. Sunday, Howie, we made sure he did nothing but as relax as much as possible, because Friday through Saturday night for him was just go, 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 go. He didn't sleep more than a couple of hours. So Sunday he relaxed, but he got Rookie of the Year. Pretty old to be a rookie.
Of Rookie of the Year.
Oh, look here, Howard.
Don't go away, Howard. We want to get a picture of the 3 rookies.
And he also got a jacket and a $70 bonus in the points thing, or I don't know what it was, but it was the semi-pro class. He made some money back in the point thing, and he got Rookie of the Year. So, and it was great. When you think of banquet, you think of getting dressed up and all that stuff. You know what? It was a Caribbean theme. So, I mean, we were quite comfortable, and if it hadn't been for Briar, we probably would have stayed for a bit of the music. because they were playing all like Beach Boys and reggae and all kind of red wine stuff from my era, from like our wedding days, right? So I've done a bit of a quilt update. I really have to spend some time working on this. This is only the second row I am on, and I had a hard time picking a quilting pattern, but what I ended up doing was sticking with the tried and true that I've been working with for quite some time, um, just masking tape, right? So here I just take 2-inch masking tape and I make an X through each block, and I quilt on either side of the tape. And I'm calling this the lattice work pattern. If you folks are looking at my Amazon wish list, know that I'm not asking you to buy me stuff. Somebody asked me to make an Amazon wish list, and it dawned on me that it was an excellent way to put it out there for my kids and my husband, because they keep saying, what do you want for Christmas? It's like, I don't know. And we're having Christmas a weekend early this year, like the weekend before Christmas, because it's Mel's parents' turn to have them for Christmas. And then we've got a wedding the weekend after. Not the weekend after Christmas. We have a wedding on January 4th. And our in between Christmas and the wedding, Arthur has in between our Christmas weekend and the wedding, Arthur and Mel have Christmas with her folks, and Arthur has to go to a bachelor party. So I mean, it's going to be kind of nuts, right? Or it's going to be kind of nuts. So this is going to be the first time ever that Howie and I are going to have Christmas alone, and I'm actually looking forward to it, because we're going to do the presents and the gifts. Like the weekend before Christmas is like the 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd. And it's also opened it up that Briar now is able to work Christmas Day. And that's a good, earning in opportunity for him, because you work Christmas Day, you get time and a half. That's it. That's all, no more. Doesn't matter where you work, right? So after that, Howie and I, like, we're going to open presents with the kids. Well, they're all adults, but we're going to open presents with the kids and Gracie. And Gracie got a present from Susie Homemaker, so that's going to be wrapped and put under the tree for Gracie from Susie Homemaker. Also, I got an email from somebody wanting me to preview an electric cream separator. And no, they're not going to be giving one of those away free. But they're giving it away to me. And I had to email them back and say, I'm sorry, I don't have goats anymore. I don't have any, milk to separate. And they said, well, you don't drink milk at all? And I said, well, yeah. And they said, well, and I said, if I could get my hands on some raw milk or some milk from a neighboring farm, then I could preview it, and then I could, give away the cream separator or something like that. But I'm not sure what's happening, but I know there's going to be a cream separator, an electric cream separator preview coming, and there is going to be a discount coupon code. So we'll keep you posted on that also. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, I've got to go and visit with my husband and work on the quilt. And that's your update. Again, things are going to be hit and miss for the next couple of weeks, but we're going to get stuff done. Trust me, holiday videos are coming. Take care. God bless. I love you guys.